guys, happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from March the 25th through March the 31st. And what I'm going to be doing this week, I made my own stickers with my Cricut again. And I'm doing a theme, basically just what I think a fun, relaxed weekend would be like, what I enjoy, and kind of based on planning as well. So this is the paper that I've chosen. I'm pretty sure I got this out of a hot buy pad from Michael's, and I just love how soft and delicate and feminine it looks. And then I thought this polka dotted one kind of really complements the paper. And then I love these Bic markers again, Polynesian pink. I think it goes really nicely. And then I have this washi that I've had for a while, and to me it kind of looks like this paper again, so I'm going to be using that. So let me go ahead and take my pages out of my planner. I'm so glad everyone loved my sweet girly theme. I thought that was adorable. Okay, I want this paper to be the dominant one of the spread, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it first. And like many of you know, I do have a lot of new subscribers though, but I have videos on my channel showing how I made my stickers before I got my Cricut, and then I have a video showing how I make them with my Cricut, okay? And I'll link both of those behind this one. And then I love this paper. It is so pretty. Okay, so let's put my paper down like I want it. I just think this is going to be so pretty. And I think I don't want all light. I want a light and a dark on each page. But I love this paper. It's so pretty and delicate. Okay, so let's go ahead and glue our paper down. They are making so many beautiful scrapbook papers anymore. They're gorgeous. That is so pretty. I just love delicate spreads like this. They're so pretty. Okay, so let's go ahead and start putting our washi down. I think this is really going to be pretty. That is cute. I love it. That's just enough to be beautiful. That is really sweet. Oh, I think that is really pretty. Let me see, do I want to put any down through here? I don't know. I don't think I do. I think I'm gonna leave this just like this, okay? So let's start putting our stickers down. I just love these that I made. This is a girl just sitting at her computer, maybe just browsing the internet, or maybe she's looking for stickers that she wants to make. I think I'll put this one right here. And then this one, she's out shopping, drinking some tea or coffee, and she has all those beautiful flowers and those dogs. I just thought they were adorable. So I think I'll put this one right here. And I think I will put this one with the donuts, and it says "Do not worry." I love donuts anyway. Okay, I think I'm going to put this one right here. I cut these out with my Cricut, okay? And then over here, I love to listen to music and wear fuzzy slippers when it's cold and drink coffee or tea, something like that. So I thought that would be really cute. So I'm going to put this one right here. And then this one, she's just sitting in bed either answering emails or comments or something like that. So I think I'm going to put her, I think I might put her right here. Okay, and here's her clock. I think I'll put it right here. And then here's her cushion that has the little eyebrows and, the eyelashes and morning. I think that's adorable. And then here's this one. It says, I love planning. And it just has coffee latte and a planner book. I thought that was really pretty. So I'm going to put that one right here. And then this one, she's just all styled out at the office maybe, or getting ready to go shopping again. So I think I may put her, I think I'll put her right, probably right here. I think that's really cute. Okay, now all I need to do is just write down a few things. Okay, and what I also want to do is I printed out this really big sticker of this girl, and I love her rings and her hair up, and she's drinking coffee or tea, and I'm going to put it on some paper. Now, which paper do I want to put this on? I'm going to put it on this one. I think I want to put it on the pink, okay? So what I'm going to do is just kind of like I always do, cut it and see about where I want it. And like I always say, you could measure if you wanted. I'm not going to. You can always, like I say, take away, but it's hard to put back. So I'm going to take it off about right here probably. And then we will see what we have. Now this one, I forgot and didn't print her out. I just printed her out using my Cricut, but I didn't cut her. I thought that I did, but I didn't. So I'm just gonna cut around here. And you could leave these black lines around her if you wanted. It's just entirely whatever you want to do. It kind of does add a little bit of something to it, but I decided to take mine off. Okay. And you can see I wasn't really precise up there. You could be if you wanted. And now all I'm going to do is just peel this off. And I have a really large sticker to go right in here. I think this is going to be so pretty. And I'm just going to kind of eyeball it. Well, always come down. Don't do what I just did. Always come down. But I didn't. Okay, and there that is. And then I'm just going to flip this over and mark my holes like I always do. and then just get my hole punch and punch my holes. And then all you have to do is just cut it. Okay. All right, let's put my pages back inside my planner and take a look at it. I think this is so sweet and happy and adorable. I love how this one turned out. It is so pretty. And then this just really makes it look good, I think. And you can put it down here, up here. I think I'll just stick it about right here. And then if you needed extra room to write, you could always just flip it over and write on the back. But like I've said many times, but I have a lot of new subscribers, I use the monthly spread in here to keep myself on track. And I use the weekly spreads just to write a few things and as a creative outlet because I love to work in my planner. And you could even use a planner as a scrapbook. I think that's a wonderful idea. So I really love this paper and this washi. I love it. I think it turned out so nicely. And I think it all goes together really beautifully. And then I love this. I think this sort of just sets it off. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.